we're going to see a lot of the small cases moving online. So we're going to see the health insurance is moving online, car insurance is moving online, travel insurance is moving online. You don't need an advisor for some of the what we call commodity products. So we're going to see a lot of the small cases moving online. So your survival in the future will be, can I close bigger cases? Now, I've always spoken about the 21st century sales process. And there's something that I want you all to understand. I've always spoken about the heartbeat strategy. The small cases make you survive and the big cases make you rich. Right? It's the heartbeat. So the small cases keep you alive, the big cases make you rich. But we're going to see a problem going forward. Right? We're going to see a very large problem coming forward. We're going to see a lot of the small cases moving online. So we're going to see the health insurance is moving online, car insurance is moving online, travel insurance is moving online. You don't need an advisor for some of the what we call commodity products. So we're going to see a lot of the small cases moving online. So your survival in the future will be, can I close bigger cases? I want you to think about it, right? Imagine you want to buy a television. You would probably buy a $500 television online. But if you really want to buy a $50,000 television, you want to go to a store, you want to speak to the right advisor, they will work with you on the functions, and that's when you probably want a $50,000 television. You won't be buying it online. And that's something a lot of people haven't realized. That there will be a lot more smaller cases that will be purchased online directly. There'll be lesser small cases for advisors. But when it comes to the big cases, an advisor is significantly relevant. It's just like cold, cough, and flu, right? When you have a cold, cough, and flu, your first reaction is to go and take a paracetamol or take on a medicine that is off the shelf, right? And if it stays on, and that's when you go and see a doctor. And that's pretty much what's going to happen, right? You're going to see the basics off the shelf products that are going to be sold in almost every market very quickly online. But what's going to happen is, if you really want to stay relevant, you need to start thinking about how to service bigger cases and how to service the high net worth population. Because the high net worth market still will need advisors for a very simple reason. This is not their business. Insurance is not a subject that they study in school. Insurance is not a subject that people specialize in. They specialize in marketing, they specialize in finance, they specialize in engineering, they specialize in law. But insurance is not a subject that people specialize in. And there's a big difference between finance and insurance. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. So guys, being very clear, you need to choose your specialization as you go forward. If you're new in this business, congratulations. You get a head start. If you're old in this business, it's time to restart. It's time to really restart the way you position yourself, the way people perceive you, and that's going to be very, very important.